Well, hello, and welcome to Omar's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a R56 Mini Cooper. All right, so I'm going over everything on this car. It's my project car. It's a 2007 Mini Cooper. Done the headlights and all the fluids, and for today we're going to do something that probably hasn't been done in a while. So it's the cabin air filter that, for the air that comes into the cabin of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and we're going to replace that. The first thing we're going to say is that that's the cabin air filter that we got. This one says 30009C. I'll put a link in the description. This is I got this off of Amazon. And let's see if there's a part number on here. Oh, here you go. Yep. So this one is a 3009C. So we'll put that in the description. That's what the filter looks like. There's an airflow arrow so you know which way the air is coming into the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. All right. So the only thing you're going to need for this is a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to need obviously the filter. So you're just going to come down here and underneath here. All right, so underneath here, you're gonna see this box here. This is where your air filter is located. What you wanna do is you wanna start releasing these in these tabs. And that should come right down. And if you can see up there, you'll see the filter. It's kind of snaked in there. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to remove that. It's really dirty. Jeez. All right, so as you can see, the old filter is absolutely dirty. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and we'll start putting the new one back in. All right, so the air is coming into the car through here, through this hole. So you have to make sure that the arrows are pointing down because the air is coming in from the outside in. And then from there, we're just going to have to snake this up. All right, so we can see the filter is completely all the way to the top. It snakes all the way down. All right, so from here, we're just gonna put this back up, make sure it clips in on both sides. Tug on it down, doesn't come down. All right, so we're good to go. All right, so that's gonna be it. You're gonna have to clean up because a lot of leaves and things came from there. All right, so it was a pretty quick video. The air filter was pretty filthy, so it needed to be changed. It looked like it's been a long time since that's been changed. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Just something quick, part of the maintenance. Like, I'm completely overhauling the entire car. We actually had the windshield replaced today, so that'll be another video that's coming up soon. But I hope that it helped you out. Follow my channel. I have a playlist that's going to have all my Mini Cooper videos. I'm working on this R56 and got a couple more things to go before I'm probably going to end up wrapping it. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. Follow me on Instagram, Omar's Garage with a Z, OMARZGARAGE. And I'm posting more on a daily basis on Omar's Garage. So that way you can keep track. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the notification bell and you get notified every time a new video comes up. Thank you for watching. You all take care.